Working in a hotel has been a dream of mine since childhood. I've always loved meeting new people and learn about their culture. This dream came true in 1996 when I was selected to be part of the pre-opening team of the Ritz-Carlton Bali in laundry department. It sparked my deeper interest in operation and leadership of hospitality. I took my first leadership role as Assistant Director of Housekeeping at the Ritz-Carlton, Jakarta. From there, my journey took me through a number of senior leadership roles across Doha, Abu Dhabi, and Surabaya. Most recently, I've taken on a new role as a General Manager at the Renaissance Bali Uluwatu Resort and Spa. It's another exciting chapter and I'm honored to lead such a dynamic team. I'm extremely proud to be part of Marriott, a company that has supported my growth every step of the way. And I'm looking forward to celebrating my 30th anniversary with the company next year, and it has been an incredible journey. The idea that the leadership means having all the answer and always needing to be in the control. Over time, I've realized that true leadership is much more about listening, collaborating, and empowering your team. When you try to control every detail or insist on doing things your way, it can actually hold people back and limit their creativity. The best result come when you trust your team, encourage different perspectives, and create space for everyone to contribute. First and foremost, master customer service and truly understand the guest expectation. If you can consistently anticipate and exceed guest expectation, you'll not only build strong loyalty, but also develop a reputation that sets your property and yourself apart. Secondly, lead by example. Your team take cues from you. If you stay positive and professional and approachable, you'll naturally elevate the energy and the performance of those around you. And finally, be adaptable and solution-oriented. This industry changes every day. Whether it's a guest request, operational challenge, or unexpected situation. The most effective leaders are the ones who stay calm under pressure and focus finding solution rather than dwelling on the problems. First is sustainability and eco-friendly practices are no longer optional. They are expected. More and more guests are looking for hotels that take environment responsibility seriously. Using locally sourced and sustainable product is not just a good for the planet, but it becomes a real differentiator for your brand. Second, there's a growing emphasis on health and wellness. Today, travelers, they are looking for a hotel that support their lifestyle. That could mean well-equipped gym or fitness center, health and balanced dining option, or even program that promote the mental wellness and relaxation. Lastly, experiential travel is becoming more important than ever. Guests want to get more than just a room. They want a meaningful local experience that connect them with their destination. I believe that in today's age of automation, a true hospitality is all about finding the right balance between technology and human connection. Technology absolutely play an important role. It helps us to streamline the operation, speed up the processes, and then handle routine inquiries more efficiently. It allows the team to work smarter and give guests more convenience. But at the heart of the hospitality is still the human touch. It is the warm greeting, the ability to anticipate the unspoken need of our guests. Those are the moments that create emotional connection, and that's something that the technology cannot replicate. So for me, the goal of the use of the technology is to enhance the guest experience, not to replace the human element. When we combine efficiency with empathy, that's when we create a truly memorable stays for our guests. Welcome to My Paradise by Stephen and Coconut Trees. It's really captured the feeling that we want to create for our guests in this resort. A warm, inviting escape where they can relax and feel grateful to be somewhere. It will be Mother Teresa. She truly embodied kindness, empathy, and selfless service to others. Her ability to care deeply for people from all walks of life, especially those in need, has always inspired me. I would love to hear perspective on human connection and what it meant to make a real difference in people's lives. Unreasonable Hospitality by Will Guidara. It offers a powerful perspective on what really meant to go above and beyond for our guests. The book reminds us that the true hospitality isn't about perfection, it's about the thoughtfulness. It really shaped the way I think about service and reinforce the idea that smallest gesture can have the biggest impact. Be the change you wish to see in the world. It's a simple but powerful reminder that the leadership starts with you, through your action, your mindset, your everyday choices. In hospitality, where we lead by example and influence through service, this mindset keeps me grounded. If I want to see positivity, care, and excellence in my team, I know that I have to start those values first.